My name is Brad Hall. I'm really excited about today's video because I've got what I think is the best shoe of 2017, and it's sitting on my lap right now. It's the Off-White Michael Air Jordan 1. I'm going to show you the shoe, number one, and also the perfect way to wear them. Now, StockX sent me these shoes, and I couldn't be more grateful, so thank you to StockX. You really know how to put a smile on my face. If you're unfamiliar with StockX, it's a website or a .com, StockX.com. You can buy and sell shoes there. They make it really easy, and they authenticate them, so that's a really nice service. Also, the website's really easy to use. I actually have some footage of me using it. It's just that easy. So now let's get to the Off-White Michael Air Jordan 1, which you're all here to see, and what I can't wait to show you. Let's start with that box. Such a cool box, some cool writing on the side, and then on the inside, that's an inside-out box. Now let's talk about this incredibly beautiful shoe. There are so many cool details with this one. I'm gonna try to go over some of them. The Nike swoosh is in a slightly different place, and it's attached by some blue thread. There's a little bit of orange. On the ankle area, those flaps are loose, and you can peel them open, and they reveal quite a treat for you. At the bottom of the laces, more loose flaps. You can play peekaboo with these. A really fun game. At the ankle collar, some exposed foam. The sole, just a normal sole, as far as I can tell. Some cool writing on the inside, more cool writing on the midsole. It's got a zip tie that also has some more writing on it. It's got a Made in China tag, and it's got this StockX tag, which actually goes perfectly with this shoe. As you can see, this shoe has amazing details, and it's more of a piece of art than just a shoe. I want to be able to appreciate this shoe for the rest of my life, so I don't want to damage it, but I do also want to wear it. I want to give others the joy of seeing me with this shoe. So that's a bit of a challenge. How do I wear this and not damage it at all? I came up with a few ideas. I thought maybe I could wear it on my hands, but if I do that and I'm shaking hands, those shoes are gonna get dirty pretty quickly. Also, if I wanted to eat, someone would have to feed me, and I don't have anyone that would want to feed me in public. So then I tried putting them in my pockets. I thought people could stare at my pockets and enjoy the shoe, but it didn't really stay. It also didn't really show the shoe that well. Most of the shoe was in my pocket. Right when I thought it was impossible, something hit me. I got to work. I worked so hard. I've never worked harder. And I came up with the perfect solution, a way to wear this shoe and not damage it and look really good because you're wearing the shoe. And I'm going to show you that right now. It's a necklace. I put the shoes in the display case, put some string around it, and then I put this really nice chain on it. Wearable piece of art. And I can use my hands, so no one has to feed me. If anyone has this shoe, I really recommend this look. And if you don't have this shoe, check out StockX. I'll put a link in the description. And StockX, thank you again.